how to connect GoDaddy domain to Lovable AI. First, open up Lovable, then click on all projects and find the web app or website which you want to connect the domain to. Now we will select publish and you should see add custom domain as an option here. Click on add custom domain and then we will choose add existing domain and connect domain. Now go into GoDaddy, then click on your name in the top right and go into my products. From here, we will need to find our domain. So I'm just going to scroll down and I will click on manage. So this is going to be my domain name. Once you click on manage, I'll just copy this. Okay. So like I said, I'm going to copy this, go to domain, just like that. And right here, I'm going to copy, go back to Lovable and paste the domain name and click on connect domain. Now we will need to either use this platform. It is going to initiate it for us. It's going to detect the DNS provider and set it up if we authorize with GoDaddy. So right here, we're just going to authorize it and we can click on connect. Once you click on connect, this is going to automatically change your DNS entries and it is going to show you like that. Changes typically take a few hours to go live. If you click on done, then just like that, it is going to add your GoDaddy domain to Lovable AI. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.